Hello. I'm doing a slight modification to the camera system, specifically the screen. Instead of using the large LCD screen over there, I'm going to be using something a little smaller because I'm going to be mounting it from the ceiling of the cockpit area from this sort of Waldo arm, so it can be more easily positioned and installed. So, when it's hanging in there, you can pull it towards you, pull it back, move it around, that sort of thing. Hold on, I just gotta, there we go. It's, a little unstable because it's not mounted on anything, and this was originally had like a bunch of weights in the bottom, which I took out because, it's gonna be hard enough to schlep it into the cockpit as it is. So we've got everything on the back. We've got our, where'd it go? Analog sensor. We've got the GPIO breakout board. Our Raspberry Pi hiding in there. Our 7-inch LCD screen displaying the camera system. Hello. And apparently something is tripping the cockpit ajar sensor. I don't know what, but we've got our temperature readings, our neck position that's not plugged in at the moment, our CPU use, and I have this attached with some 3D printed bits. That's kind of crazy, but at least it gets on there. Since it's going to be hanging from the ceiling, this is actually upside down. So it'll be more, like, this is a bottom and this is a top, so, I'm kind of like, not sure if my phone just flipped it or not, but ceiling, looking at it, so this monitor should actually be flipped the other way, but, Then we've got this fun stuff, the switch for the main headlight is a little wobbly. I need to solder it up, make it all nice and secure. And I also need to redo this connection method because I'm just twisting the wires together, and that's not a very stable long-term way. But, keep the sensitive, head stuff inside, out of the weather, and I actually need to reposition the camera a bit because you can see there's a bit of a dark circle around it. That's actually the bit of the lens housing. See, there's the lens. Hello. And I also probably need to give the lens a bit of a cleaning because, there's like a big bunch of schmutz in this area of it. But, hey, progress is progress. Probably going to be testing out mounting this in the Mac tomorrow because it's nighttime at the moment. But that is all for today, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.